Okay, this is Pro2 Alza. Okay, this price is 69,517. The engine capacity is 1.5. And then this one comes with a full body kit, reverse camera, GPS, Bluetooth, USB, leather seat, complete. So the price is 69,517 only. It's a really reasonable price in the market. And people believe our car. It's a national car. You can tell that this one also national car because this is under Pro2, our Malaysian car. Our engine is a DBBT engine.
What can you tell about the car jack?
Okay, car jacks normally we are put over here. If any emergency, our tire puncture or whatever happens, so we just take the car jack from here. Don't be panic. Take the car jack from here. You can. Okay. The spare tire, you need to do like this. Then the spare tire come out from here, from bottom. Spare tire is the bottom. So you need to take the nut, you do over here, then the one is a come out. After that only you can change your tire. You can put over here, you can check, and then you can change your tire. This is a simple way.
So this car jack comes with every car?
Every car, every model. Malaysian car, all car. Even you buy new car, every car got a jack.
Okay,
whatever brand, whatever car, every car got a jack.
What can you tell about the weaknesses of this car jack? How it can be improved?
Pardon?
I mean, how we can improve this car jack, or is ideal?
Idea, improve.
Yeah.
This one not enough. Brother.
If it's not enough, what can you tell? What can you add?
No idea, because in Malaysia they only give like this. Maybe in future you all can change the new any other style lah. But this is so far this is the way.
Okay, thank you very much.
Welcome, welcome.